Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both side, and we have like this. This one that is about the constant. So you got number 0. This one I just apply the power rule of derivative. 3 over 2 minus 1, we have 1 over 2. This one that is about the square root of s. Because we don't have 3 over 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by 3 over 2, and we have 2 over 3 du. This one we change by this one. The square root of s ds we change by this one. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about 1 minus cosine 2h over number 2. So I will put this one to change for this one in here. So number 2 and number 2 we simplify. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have u. The next one we have 1 over 2 sine 2u. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Because number 2 multiplied by this one, that's why we have this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.